I think one last thing, bro, that you want to say to those people na who look up to you.
Mm.
Because for sure there are people. Um, I'm not sure if you have touched base on that. Your story on how from the province,
Mm.
fresh grad. Actually, yun na yung kanina ba
Oo.
from somebody na ang ano ba Tagalog dito sa atin, Mark? Yung saop.
Ano so?
Tenant. So that's what you are, di ba? Parang tenant
Oo,
lang
tayo
kayo
na,
dun sa
oo.
farm, di ba? O,
Oo.
hindi kayo yung may-ari ng lupa,
Mm.
sinasaka nyo lang.
Mm.
Then, tapos nagsishare kayo ng part ng
Yes,
income doon, di ba?
1/4.
1/4, di ba?
1/4.
So, a very good story from that farmer, tenant pa talaga,
Oo.
and then who just dreamed to become a landlord, and actually becoming a landlord because literally that's
Mm.
what you have become, right?
Mm.
And then you realize na it was not, it was just an initial thing. It was not,
Mm.
kumbaga, it's a dream,
Mm.
fulfilling kasi na-accomplish mo siya,
Mm.
but then you realize na it's not all that there is.
Oo.
Marami pang bagay na mas importante, quote unquote, out of that. But the thing is, for you to be able to say that, na there are other things that's important, is because you've been there.
Eh,
Sabi nga nila the people who always say na hindi, it doesn't matter kung maganda ka o gwapo ang mga ganda. People who are mayaman will say, hindi ganun ka-importante yung mayaman kasi mayaman sila.
tama,
Diba?
tama, pre, tama.
That's how it works, right? But at least for the people on the other side
Oo.
who are still trying to, perhaps a fresh grad na inspired ng story mo, from fresh grad, 19 years old, coming to Manila all by yourself with 50,000 on hand
Oo.
to get started into something, and now to actually creating a real estate
Oo.
empire.
Oo.
And of course, sobrang malaking, it's not even bonus, but the core of it all is that you have a family, you have a wife, you have kids. How
Oo.
many daughters?
1 daughter, 2 sons.
2 sons and 2 daughters.
Mm.
One daughter, 2 sons.
Oo.
Di ba? So it's almost like perfect. So it would be sounds like a story of somebody na graduating right now from senior high.
Oo.
Somebody from senior high will say, I want that kind of story, and that story that actually happens to me, I would be so grateful. Perhaps I would be so happy, or whatever that you will think about that. So what would be your advice to them
Mm.
na who aspires to at least accomplish what you have right now?
Okay. Number 1, take risk. Kasi after graduation ng nursing, pwede naman akong medyo medyo risky 'pag mag-shift ng career.
Mm.
And one of the good thing about me is medyo risk taker ako.
Mm.
Parang nag-shift ako into from nursing to career to real estate. And I'm also risk taker when it comes to investments
Mm.
and when it comes sa mga properties.
So give you that, have you lose money?
Oo naman.
Mm.
Oo naman. Dami na. There are times kasi na you'll decide if you stay on that comfort zone na
Mm.
or you want more.
Mm.
And there's nothing against kapag gusto mo mag-stay sa pagiging comfort zone mo.
Mm.
But yung yung development or yung pag-success o yung para sumakses ka na lang
Sumakses
sa
ka.
term sa social media, no?
Oh.
Is nandoon outside your comfort zone.
Mm. Yeah.
Kailangan mong gawin yung mga things na hindi mo ginagawa ngayon. Example, like you, idol, podcast, di ba? This is out of our comfort zone eh.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Actually, oo.
This is something na, syempre, along the way, we're learning.
Yeah.
And that learning, yun yung magbibigay sa atin ng experience, ng panibagong skill.
Yeah.
Di ba? Kasi the way how you talk kanina, and yung skill na ine-explain mo, hindi naman yun nangyari sa one day lang eh.
Yeah.
That's a culmination of all the risks that you take.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And still taking, actually. And we
still
continually
taking.
improve. And to your point, imagine from somebody who is bullied in college for my speech. Because I'm from the South. Bisaya talaga. Bisdak, di ba? Di ba? Medyo may
Bisdak.
derogatory, di ba? Dito
Okay.
But, that's why also, wala akong masyadong courage. But right now, I don't care.
Oh.
Because there are even people who doesn't speak good English, but ang importante is you're able to I think I stopped caring what other people would say, and
Ah,
I just, this is me. So I
ah,
just want to be me. And I think I owe it to God to be me, to use the gifts. And I cannot be stopped by bullies to
mm,
fulfill the mission, the purpose that God has given me.
mm.
Right. So you said number one that you can advise is take risk.
Oo, take risk. And then number 2,
Number two is get out of your comfort zone.
hindi, yun yun, take
Okay,
risk
okay,
and
okay.
get out, nasa isa lang yun. And number 2 is be grateful.
Okay. I think this is very good.
Oo, kasi after taking risk, after undergoing so many transformation in my life, being grateful, I think, is the equation for being happy. Kasi sometimes nag-iisip tayo na kapag ma-achieve ko 'to, magiging happy na ako 'pag nag-achieve ko yun.
Mm,
Dumaan na ako dun, eh.
mm,
Parang unless you're being grateful of what you have right now,
mm.
dun mo makukuha yung happiness talaga, yung fulfillment.
Yeah.
And then lastly is that, yun nga, build a legacy. Memento mori,
Mm.
number last.
Ano
Memento
sabi mo?
mori. Memento mori.
Memento mori.
Ah,
Which
yun,
means translate to
so all will die.
all will die. Therefore,
Therefore, build something na pag nawala ka, it will continue.
mm,
Diba? Example, Nobel. Who is Nobel?
yeah,
Diba?
Nobel Prize.
Nobel Prize.
Mm.
Yun.
Okay.
Panoorin, ayun.
Take risk,
Take risk, be
be
grateful,
grateful,
and then memento mori.
memento mori. We'll all die, so do something
Mm.
that will leave a dent in this
Oo.
world. Thank you very much for that conversation.
Thank you.
Okay.
Actually, yung take risk, pwede nga ano yun, may Latin pa yun eh, carpe diem, seize the day, take
Mm.
risk.
Mm.